Here's, obviously, we've gone over this before. This is your landing page with your pixel set up on it. Now, one of the best landing pages, imagine if you're sending traffic here and you're getting 10% conversion rates for people to opt into your list, or to, people 10% conversion rates on whatever it is. Imagine if you could have a landing page software that already had literally pre-built pages that obviously are proven to convert already. That landing page software is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, I've used a bunch of different landing page softwares. I've also used a bunch of different website builders, ClickFunnels, in my opinion, is the best website builder, the best landing page builder out there on the market today, and it's not even close. So if you really want to up your conversion rates, I recommend ClickFunnels. I actually do have a ClickFunnels account. I actually have two ClickFunnels accounts. The one I don't use anymore. But the one ClickFunnels I have account is literally probably about 80% of my business revenue. It's pretty crazy. So I highly recommend that. Now, on top of that, let's say that you get somebody to submit their email to your autorespons. One of the best autoresponding softwares out there right now is Market Hero. And the reason for that is it really kind of takes you through a more in-depth autoresponse email sequence like we've talked about, and really ups your email marketing game. To put it simply, not trying to get too into this, it's a brief overview because I'm literally just trying to expand your mind here because it's really going to help you out and kind of 10x your income with email marketing on top of your pixel. So what Market Hero does is it doesn't just give an autorespond sequence. So it's not just email 1, then a day later email 2, then a day later email 3, then a day later email 4. What it does is they get the autorespons when they submit their email from your landing page. Obviously, you're collecting them in your pixel, but you're going to collect their email and they're going to get an autorespons email. Depending on if they open up that autorespons email, Market Hero lets you pick 2 emails. So you're going to send them, if they opened up that email, they're going to get this one where you give them a little bit more value. If they don't, they're going to get this one. And this obviously hopefully prompts them to open up a new email by giving them a lot of value. If they do open up this one, the one that they open there, they open up the first one, then they open up the second one, they're going to get this one. If they open up the first one, they don't open up the second one, they're going to get this one. So on and so forth. That's how it works. So at any point there's a drop off, and you can take them through the email funnel. And what this really allows you to do is it allows you to personalize each email to people, whether they opened up and were interested or they were not interested in that piece of content. And that really allows you to send them back through the funnel and re-get their attention and stay in front of that customer and build a relationship. It's not just going to build a relationship, but it's really going to 10x your ROI and your cost, not just your cost per lead, but how much a lead is actually worth to you. Imagine if you knew your numbers and you knew that, for example, I'm going to talk about this here in a second, but a lead costs you about 80 cents to get to this page, and then once they come through your funnel, they're worth about $24 to you. Well, then you can be a millionaire by just scaling this up. And that's where I'm at right now. I'm literally focused on this. I'm increasing this number right here, and once I see it get high, I'm going to just scale it and throw money at my ad to get people here, because knowing full well that if they come through my email autorespond sequence and they come through my retargeting pixel, I can just scale that up, and eventually every 80 cents I spend, I'm going to get $24 back. It's pretty crazy, right? So to give you another brief example, ClickFunnels landing page increases your conversion rate so that you can get people to opt into your list. And then once they come through your list, you send them through the Market Hero email funnel and email marketing sequence. Not only does that let you set up this in-depth funnel where if they open up, say they open up this one, but then they don't open up this one, then they might open up this one and you have a chance to sell them on your high ticket product down here, further down the sequence, whether that's real estate, whether that's, another in-depth affiliate program. There's so many things to sell, and each person's selling something different. Each person's pushing a different product or building a different landing page around their business in a different way. But the great part about this is that Market Hero will show you all your numbers, and ClickFunnels will show you all your numbers. So they'll show you click-through rates, and they'll show you, okay, there's clicks here, but then people drop off when they start reading here. It's a great marketing integration to kind of give you the numbers. On top of that, Market Hero will actually show you, and I'm gonna give you a little bit more information about this in a second, but Market Hero will show you that for, maybe you have 1,000 people that come through your email autorespond sequence. Well, let's say 100 of them don't open, but 900 of them open the first email. Well, out of these people that don't open that email, maybe 80 of those don't open that email, but 20% do. And then you'll kind of start to see, okay, well, 900 of these people opened the first email, but then 200 of them dropped off. and there were only 700 left that open up this one. And what you'll eventually start to see is there are lulls in your email sequence where people are massively dropping off. And then you simply, if you notice that, okay, well, there's 700 people here, but 500 of them didn't open this email, that's supposed to be a 5, and only 200 of them remained, well, then you know that you need to go back and readjust this email because 500 people didn't open it, and that's huge for your business. So once you get all these numbers right, and Market Hero will give you all that information so you can kind of go back through your email sequence, then you can start to really hone down your numbers and really realize the fact that, hey, I'm spending $80 to bring a potential lead like we talked about before to my landing page, and then once they come through my auto response sequence, Market Hero will give you all these numbers. They're literally just running crazy analytics. It's nuts. So they'll literally, you can identify the fact that, okay, you're spending 80 cents per lead, but for every lead that you're spending, 2 months later, you're getting $24 back.